quick little baby launch real quick. I'm telling you, bro, after the retune, bro, the trans dial and everything, bro, this shit's gonna be a fucking, it's gonna be a cool little, it's gonna be a fun little machine, bro. I promise you that, bro. It's gonna put in some work for sure. I love coming through here. Hey, don't mind the ashy hands, gang. Don't mind it. Yeah, I know this is a reoccurring situation. That's the gang right there. Shit too, man. I gotta tell ya, bro. As y'all seen, the carbon buckets are in. So again, the seats are in. You see the people. Yeah, boy. I told you I was getting those, gang. Carbon buckets are in, man. The new 3-inch exhaust is in. The CSF radiator is in as well. And yeah, bro, we just winding down. I get that time off now. I'm getting time off in a couple weeks, so about to get the radiator and the exhaust put on a Vinny and have them tune that shit up, you feel me? Get the trans tune as well. And as you can see, man, yeah, I put them in myself like a couple weeks ago. And yeah, gang, we are gonna put the carbon buckets in a couple weeks. Not a couple weeks, in like probably like a week or so, because brackets for the seats are getting shipped out in like a couple days. So once those shipped out and they get here, then we're gonna put the seats in. So let's get this baby primed up, you feel me? Man, been so long. Not too crazy. Still starts up nice and clean.